Again, another cold morning. Winter is getting closer, and the weather report even predicted that we might have snow this week. As we enter these cold months, it's time to take a look at your emergency kit that I hope you have in your car. And if you don't, maybe it's time to put one in there. As a bare minimum, you should have layers of clothing for each member of the household. Base layer, insulation layer, outer shell that will protect you from moisture and wind. You should have a sleeping bag or two, or some really heavy duty blankets to help wrap up in to extend that clothing and keep you warm during cold conditions. It's important to have some water in there. Have it in a good sealed container so it doesn't leak. I'd put at least a gallon, if not up to 3. And then a signal would be nice. Of course, depending upon the space I have, I would add a lot more to that. I would add items that would help take care of my personal protection, clothing, shelter, fire, items that would take care of my sustenance needs, maybe some bagged nuts in a good glass sealed container or well-sealed plastic container. Definitely a medium-sized first aid kit to help with any medical issues that might arise, maybe a SAM splint, and a few other items along that line. Also, a good road atlas is nice to have in there. Definitely the time of year to take a look at the kit you have, or if you don't have one, to build one and be prepared should anything happen while you're on the road during these cold conditions. I'm Greg Davenport, talking about an emergency preparedness kit that you would maintain in your car. You all take care and stay safe.